Hello, this is a second video of Argentometric method, and now we want to learn together about the assay method of Argentometric. This is assay methods. The Argentometric titration may be divided into two broad categories, namely direct titration with silver nitrate and ammonium thiocyanate silver nitrate titration, Volhard's method. The direct titration with silver nitrates. Pharmaceutical substances essentially containing halides may be estimated by direct titration with silver nitrate solution as a titrant. Preparation of a 0.1 normal silver nitrate solution. Methods required: silver nitrates AR 16.989 gram. The procedures: weigh accurately 16.989 grams of silver nitrate on a watch glass and transfer quantitatively into a 1 liter volumetric flask. Add freshly prepared distilled water and make up the volume to 1000 milliliter. Thus we have silver nitrate and sodium chloride. The silver chloride is precipitate, and sodium nitrate. Sodium and silver nitrate is equilibrium, or I don't know this exactly name. Sodium chloride, and this means H, hydrogen, or I don't know, and it's written here, or 169.89 gram silver nitrate is again this three line. 58.45 grams sodium chloride, three line, 1000 milliliter normal. It means something, I don't know how to read it, and it's written or 0.06090 grams silver nitrate, 0.005845 grams sodium chloride, or it's equal to 1 milliliter 0.1 normal silver nitrate. This is a reaction. What's happened here again? Preparation of 0.1 normal silver nitrate. How to prepare silver nitrate? We want to prepare this. We want to prepare 0.1 normal silver nitrate, but we do this reaction. Oh, it's very hard to understanding for me. The procedure, I read it again. Weigh accurately 16 gram silver nitrate on a watch glass and transfer quality to volumetric flask and distilled water. Thus we have it this. Oh, how? It's written very bad in this book. Okay, it's written about standardization of 0.1 normal silver nitrate solution. The material required is sodium chloride 0.1 gram, acetic acid 33% VV, and 5 milliliter of methyl alcohol 95%. 50 milliliter of eosin solution 0.5% VV in water, 5 milliliter of 0.1 normal silver nitrate in solution, and the procedure is weigh accurately about 0.1 gram of sodium chloride previously dried. Weigh accurately, this one is dried. Oh, okay. Accurately dried, previously dried at 110 degrees Celsius for 2 hours and dissolve it in 5 milliliter of water. Add 5 milliliter of acetic acid, 50 milliliter of methyl alcohol, add 3 drops of eosin solution, stir thoroughly on a magnetic stirrer and titrate it with the silver nitrate solution till the white particles of silver chloride change from white to pink. Each 0.005844 gram of sodium chloride is equivalent to 1 milliliter of 0.1 normal silver nitrate. When we titrate it, and when the color is changed from white to pink, this part of the gram of sodium chloride is equivalent to 1 milliliter of 0.1 normal silver nitrate, and this is a standardization method. This part is so confusing for me. I should understanding the preparation and standardization method. You see, my dear friends, I promise to you that I make one more video from the pharmacopoeia. Now I'm in the pharmacy. When I go to the homes, I prepare one more video from the pharmacopoeia, and by preparation of this solution and by standardization I explain it more, because I'm really confusing now and I don't understanding very good. Sorry. Okay. And by the other parts is explained the potassium chloride. The material required: the potassium chloride 0.25 gram, the potassium chromate solution 5% vein water, 10 milliliter 0.1 normal silver nitrate solution. The procedure is very accurately about 0.25 gram of potassium chloride in a conical flask and dissolve it in it. Very accurately about 0.25 gram of potassium chloride in a conical flask and dissolve it in 50 milliliter of distilled water and titrate it with 0.1 normal silver nitrate solution using 2 to 3 drops of potassium chromate solution as an indicator till precipitation of red chromate is indicated. Each milliliter of 0.1 normal silver nitrate solution is equivalent to 0.007455 gram of potassium chloride. And this is a reaction: silver nitrate and potassium chloride, silver chloride precipitate and potassium nitrate. It's again this reaction. I should explain it more on the other video. Again, this is a chloral hydrate, and we have other part, the cognate assay. Maybe it's explain it here. This written: pharmaceutical substances in table 8.1 can be assayed by direct titration with silver nitrate using a suitable indicator: iopanoic acid, benzyl trimethyl ammonium chloride, and diatrozoate sodium. The indicator, for example, for iopanoic acid is tetraboromophenolphthalein ethyl ester, and the calculation is like this: each milliliter of 0.05 normal silver nitrate, 9.516 milligram of this iopanoate. This is a salt of